Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making a new batch of pear and pomegranate, and this is one of my favorite fragrances from BeScented. Smells amazing, and for the record, I can never spell pomegranate. I don't know why I get like mental block over spelling it. So as I was doing this video and I was trying to type out the title, I was like having to go back to Google. It's just one of those words I just can't ever be confident that I was spelling it correctly without doing spell check. Anyway, and for the record as well, I had never had pomegranates until about 6 months ago. Some friends were having it, and I had never seen it before, didn't really know what it was, and it's amazing. Absolutely love it. I feel like you burn a couple calories just because you've got to work to kind of get the seeds out, but it is so good. Definitely a huge fan of pomegranates now. But anyway, this fragrance, it's a really nice seller. It behaves well. It is doesn't rise, doesn't accelerate. It's sweet, but not overly sweet. So it's fruity sweet, pear and pomegranate. Just smells great. Love it. Everyone loves it. It does really nicely in candles as well as bath bombs for me. And BeScented is going to have this on sale. This is going to be the $10 fragrance from May 22nd through the end of the month. So you can grab 16 ounces of this on sale for $10. And this would be May 22nd through the 31st or while supplies last. So if you're watching this in the month of May as the video is being released, just be sure to check it out on BeScented once the sale is live on the 22nd. And for the colors, I'm using the deep rose from BeScented and then the green apple, as well as a little bit of TD. So I'm going to go ahead and mix, and I'll bring you guys back for the cut. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, got this into the mold. You can see I left it in the mold an extra day, which probably, it's not that big of a deal, but it was just a little bit harder than normal to cut it. So I kind of had to put a little bit of weight on it. But really happy with how my little chapstick swirls came out. This fragrance, it just smells so fresh. It's fruity, it's juicy. Love it, love it, love it. All right, I will see you guys on the next video. Enjoy the rest of the cut. Have a great day.